Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Navega Exhausts, and today I am going to present to you the beautiful exhaust that was created here on this Porsche. 111,000 miles, good guys. The project here on this Porsche was a straight exhaust project. That's exactly what you're hearing, a straight exhaust. In this case, it doesn't have any muffler. It's simply 3-inch pipes made of pure polished stainless steel. You guys already know that we work a lot with pure polished stainless steel. And of course, we also removed the 2 catalytic converters from the car. You will check out the images underneath the car to see how this exhaust turned out. You'll also see the sound it makes. It became beastly. I swear to you that you will enjoy this car's exhaust, and you will appreciate the sound that remained. And as incredible as it may seem, even though it is a big engine, and even though it has a straight exhaust, its sound was still there with a loud roar, but it was a roar that was not as loud as expected. I thought it would be much, much louder because there was nothing blocking. It was a straight exhaust on this bad Porsche. The sound was like a beast. Seriously speaking to you, the most beautiful sound I've ever heard from an exhaust was from this car here. And of course, if you have a Porsche, a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, an Audi A3, a Jetta TSI, or anything else, bring your car here to Navega to get your service done, to get your top quality stainless steel exhaust here. That's it, guys. Enjoy the roar of this beautiful Porsche 911. Take care, everyone, and don't forget to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to the channel below to see all the news here from Navega Exhausts.